Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial. Today I have a really cute project to share with you that features the Eastern Beauty stamp set and the Playful background set. This is a really fun set. I haven't used either of these in a while, so I thought it would be fun to share a project using these. All right, so I've got some scrap paper here, and then I've got a piece of Whisper White cardstock that I already ran through my Big Shot using the stitched shape framelit dies, and I used the second to largest circle to die cut this. I'm gonna bring in my Tranquil Tide ink pad, and I'm going to stamp that Let's Be Friends Forever. I'm gonna put that right in the center here. Right about there should be good. Yep. Now I've got my Pool Party ink pad for my bubbles. So I've got the little open bubble background image. So I'm just going to carefully ink this up, and I want to get this little cluster of bubbles down here at the bottom. Okay. Alrighty. Ink it up again. And then I want these little two on the side right about there, and then ink it up one more time. I'm just trying to be really careful because ink bubbles in the middle of the stamp, and I don't want any of those on my project. So let's do right there. Okay, there we go. So let me just show you that up close. Isn't that so cute? I love how that looks. All right, so I've got the rest of my pieces here, and we can start assembling this card. I'll just bring in, my fast fuse and add this onto my Lemon Lime Twist scallop circle, and I just used the layering circles to die cut that. Alrighty, and for my designer series paper, this was one piece that was 3.5, wait, let me see how many inches it was. Okay, so this was 4 3/4 inches by 3.5 inches, and then I cut 1 1/4 inches off of the bottom, and then I simply flipped it over so that you get both sides of the designer series paper. Can you see that glitter on those little mermaid tails? Isn't it so pretty? I love this paper, and it's got like a shiny embossed look. So what I'm going to do is take this and flip it like so. And to make this easier to adhere onto my card, I'm just going to add a little piece of Scotch tape. So now you've got this, and I'll go ahead and put some fast fuse on the back. And I'm going to add this onto a berry burst layer. And I've got all of the measurements for this project on today's blog post, so you can get them over there. All right, so there's that. Then I've got some of this crinkle ribbon. This is the berry burst color. This stuff is gorgeous. I love this ribbon. I'm just gonna add some fast fuse and wrap this around, and that will cover up that little seam where we put those two pieces together. Wrap it right there, I think. Then for my card base, I've got a piece of Tranquil Tide cardstock. This is cut at 11 inches by 4 1/4 inches, and I have scored it at 5.5 inches. I'll just give that a crease with my bone folder. There we go. And I've got my backings off of my dimensionals, and I will just lay this right in the center, right about here. Now I am going to add some of our glitter and clear epoxy shapes. So I don't know how well you can see, but there are some circles and then some sort of raindrop looking enamel shapes on here. And I'm gonna take these and just add so that it looks like little water droplets by the bubbles. I'm just gonna add these. Let's see, I'll do one here. Then I'll do 2 smaller ones. Let's see if I can pick it up. Okay, and just put that, oh my goodness, this is so cute. Put that right there. And then another piece of our crinkle ribbon. So I'm actually gonna leave this on the spool because I wanna tie it in a bow and I don't wanna waste and use more than I actually need. So I'm just pulling this through, making a simple little bow. This stuff ties gorgeously. So if you're not really good at tying bows, it doesn't really matter with this ribbon. It just ties so nicely. Look at that, perfect. Perfect little bow. Okay, so just trim these ends off at an angle. Like so, so cute. And then I'll add this on with a glue dot. Okay, and I'm just gonna pop it right there. Oh, love it, love it. All right, there we go. That finishes up this quick and easy card. I love this card, you guys. This is like one of my most favorite swap cards I think that I've ever made. I love it. And I'm so proud of myself for using a color combination that I've never put together before. I love how this card turned out. So cute. So I hope that you have enjoyed today's tutorial. I love this card and I hope you'll give it a try. Remember, you can find all of the measurements and all of the supplies over on today's coordinating blog post. I've linked just to that post in the video description below. You can also find clickable links to all of the product that I used today in the video description as well, and it'll take you straight to my online Stampin' Up! Store. So thanks again for joining me today, you guys. I will be back soon with another tutorial. Bye now.